Hey again, welcome back to Coding with Drew. In this video, we're going to learn how to iterate over files. So if we wanted to iterate over a file's contents line by line, we'd want to use a while loop and then use the read command as the test condition. So let's look at an example file called file.txt that we're going to create, and it's going to have the following contents. Touch file.txt. So that we don't get rusty with Nano, we're going to open Nano and do file.txt. All right, in it, we're going to say this is a line 1. And then we're going to say this is a line 2. I'm going to say this is a line 3. All right, enough of that. All right, so Control X to close, Y to save, and then we're not going to rename, so press Enter. The read while loop is structured so that it will iterate over this file. So the script that we're going to create will leverage a read while loop, and it's going to be structured so that it will read whatever file we pass it. So we're going to try to pass it the file.txt, but we want it to be somewhat dynamic. So we're going to use, if you recall, $1. And this is the first positional argument that you'll pass. And in the read while loop, the way that you do this is it's a while and then semicolon do, and then you have a done with a semicolon, right? Instead of using the semicolon, we're going to redirect and we're going to say $1, so the quote marks. And then that's how we would do it. So let's see this in action. So let's create a new file, touch read while.sh, chmod 755 read while.sh. Now we're going to open it in our code editor, code read while sh, Visual Studio Code opened up. Now in here, we're going to add our shebang line as usual, /bin/bash. And now let's go ahead and do some while loop. So while, do, done, and we're going to go ahead and do the redirect that we mentioned. We're going to say $, in curly brackets 1. So our condition for the while do is going to be read, and we're redirecting the contents or the output of this file into the input for this file. And I misspelled wild. Okay, so now we're just going to echo a line. So we have to capture the line, and let's just call it line. So echo $, curly brackets, line. So we're capturing line as it reads through each line. And we could probably just call this my line to be a little bit more clear that you can name this anything that you want. And it's a variable. You're just saving whatever that line is as a variable. And then we're going to call it my line. And then we're going to echo it out. But let's add a number to it. Well, let's add an emoji. Let's add the poop emoji, of course. All right, let's save. And then we'll go to our terminal. Let's clear it out. Let's run /read while.sh. And we're going to pass it file.txt. So you say, this is a line 1 and a poop. This is a line 2, poop. This is a line 3, poop. All right. So you've had some fun with poops, and what you really need to know is if you were to create the redirect in the line while read line do, you would create an infinite loop. So what I mean by that is if you were to put that here and do the $do, this would just go forever because it would never break. Don't do that. Additionally, to full circle this, we've basically just made our own personal cat command that puts out a poop at the end. So this isn't extremely useful in its current state. There's a lot of things that you can do with this read command, and you'll leverage this most likely when you're manipulating data from a file. That's it for this section. I'll see you in the next section when we talk about data structures and arrays in Bash.